Thank you for clicking on my video and Happy New Year. I'm about to show you how I achieved this low, sleek, braided ponytail. Here I'm showing the products and tools that I use to complete this look. Here I am applying Murray's pomade to my hair. At first, while I was using it, it didn't seem like it was helping. It didn't seem like it was like laying my flyaways down. It didn't seem like it was helping me achieve a sleek ponytail. But to me, the key item for this, you really need a scarf afterwards. That's what helped everything lay, in my opinion. So yes, my hair is natural, but in this video I was doing my ponytail on 1 week old flat iron hair. Moving along, so I separated my hair into 2 sections. I find this to be the most easiest way to be able to achieve a well put together ponytail. So in the back half of my hair, I did a ponytail. Now in the top half of my hair, I'm gonna go ahead and do my part where I want it, which is in the middle. And then I'm just shaping my hair into the direction that I need it to go in, leaving out my baby hairs as I go along. I connected the top half to the bottom half and made 2 ponytails into 1 ponytail. Next, I'm using my edge control and I'm gonna place it along my front hairline so that I can go ahead and lay my edges. I like to do my edges with a comb. That's the most helpful tool to me compared to like a toothbrush or an edge brush. With the comb, I like the fact that I can use the teeth of the comb as well as the metal end. After I finish forming my edges, I'll wrap my head with those wrap strips that I showed at the beginning of the video. And then I also go on top of that with my scarf. Now to begin the braid, I started off using 1 bundle of hair. And I pretty much used it as 2 strands. And my ponytail was kind of like the 3rd strand. And then I just began braiding going down. To keep the same consistency throughout the braid, when I noticed that the braid felt like it was getting a little thin, I would take a medium-sized piece of hair and feed that into my braid. Of course, you want to blend your hair with the weave, so I added Shine and Jam to blend the 2 together to prevent my hair from sticking out of the braid, if that makes sense. And please do not mind my nape. Trust me, I know exactly what it looked like before I posted this video, and I know what it looked like now. I wanted my ponytail to be about waist length, so I continued feeding in hair until I got my braid to the length that I wanted it to be. I noticed a little piece of hair sticking out, but that's nothing that a little shine and jam can't fix. And I also tucked it in with the bobby pin. Lastly, my braid was missing that ponytail wrap thing, which I knew this from the beginning when I first started doing this style. But it's nothing that you can't fix with a little bit of creativity. So I took a small strand of hair and I used the crochet needle to use it through that very first piece of my braid. And then I pulled it through. And then I just wrapped that piece of hair around my ponytail, used spritz, combed it out, continued to wrap, continued to spritz, and yeah, you can't even tell. Finally, I used the blow dryer to secure it in place and make sure my work would not unravel. I was pretty impressed how my hair was super flat, no flyaways out of place or any of that. I was just touching up my edges a little bit. And this concludes how I achieved this low, sleek, braided ponytail on my natural hair. Thank y'all for watching my video and stay tuned for the next one.